Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol GBHL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice day. There was a bit of a pullback, and this is where the kind of the quote-unquote it depends comes into play. What do I mean by that? Well, hey Clay, what do you think about the chart? Well, it depends. If you're a day trader and you bought right there and you were hoping to sell within 2.75 seconds, then yeah, for you the chart's looking pretty rough. But if you care about the big picture of things, then the bulls still have plenty of opportunity to build a higher base and therefore construct a longer-term uptrend. I'm going to be talking about things from the big picture perspective, so if I sound crazy saying something, my guess would be you probably just had a different strategy and perspective going in than what I'm talking about. So from the big picture perspective, let's talk about a couple areas of support, then we'll talk levels of resistance. And this initial area is what I would call the ideal level, meaning, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? If the price can stay up above 004, that would make the chart look very, very powerful. Now, if the price drops below it, by no means am I saying that the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can maintain above it, that would certainly be, a good symbol of power on the bull's part. Taking a step back, looking at the big picture of things, it's all about the purple line down there, which is the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword there being moving, because I realize that line's pretty far below where the price currently is. So as time goes by, this line is going to continue to move its way upwards. And I like to call moving averages, trend lines for lazy people, because, if I don't want to draw a trend line, well, just let the moving average draw it for you, and you stop and think about it. Okay, well, what does the price have to do in order to stay above a line that's increasing? Well, the price itself has to keep on increasing, which by definition is what a bullish move is, right? And that's why I love charts. When you look at them certain ways, they essentially insult your intelligence. So again, a very simplistic way to look at this and measure the health of the current move. As long as the price is above that purple line going forward, bulls are in full control, no questions asked. Now, what about areas of resistance? Key area of resistance, or I should say initial level, is going to be right up here at 0055. Yeah, up there at 0065 is the level of resistance, but before you start talking about that level up there as resistance, the first bridge to be crossed right here at 0055, so keep an eye on that. Overall, though, like I said, very nice day. Sure, there was a pullback, but the bulls have plenty of opportunity to build a long-term uptrend, so let's see if they can build a higher base or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.